Well, hello. I thought I'd do something a little different today. Before I even started trying to pick locks, I watched, the biggies like the Lock Picking Lawyer, Bosnian Bill, Lock Noob, just like everybody else. And the Lock Picking Lawyer does a lot of these gun locks. And usually when you buy one of these, especially in the state of California, you have to have one of these. They give you one of these. Basically sell it to you for a few bucks. And they're supposed to go in here and loop through there to keep your gun locked. And you've seen me pick these, and you've seen Lock Picking Lawyer and everybody else pick these. They just like butter, and they go right through. But this gun came with its own little lock to go with it, and these little pieces here, as you see, have cutouts. Now this is the right side, and this is the left side. And how this works, you just stick them in there, and it pushes down against that trigger guard, against the trigger. You put one in that side, and then you put the other one in this side. I won't do it because I'm going to pop this right back out. But then you put this pin through both, and when it comes out the other side, you're supposed to put this handy dandy lock in there to lock it up. So let's take a look at this and see what we got for the handy dandy lock. Wow, that's I bet you could take a pair of dikes and cut right through that. And there's the bitine on the key. It's a monster lock. Looks real secure. But this thing is so tiny, I don't think I'm going to be able to hold that in my hands to try to pick it. So I'll be right back. I'm going to get a little vise set up here. Be right back. Okay, we got it in our vise. It's locked up. You can't really push on it or anything, but it is locked up. I'm going to try to pick this thing. I'm going to use a short hook. I'm going to try to get this thing picked. If I can get under these pins, find these pins anyway. Okay, I got movement there. Oh man, that middle pin is just kind of blocking everything. Okay. Ooh, thought it got it, but I think I just moved my tension wrench. Oh, I got it. Well, I pick's stuck now, but yeah, I think the tough part is the tightness of the keyway. So let's move that back out of the way. Let me lower this down a little bit. Get this camera back down a little bit. And okay, we got it locked back up. Got the key off. So now let's give this a try, as you would have it normally locked up. Personally, I don't use these. I use my safe, my gun safe. It's a lot better. And things like this. Okay, well, there's how it would be if you found it. So let me try something else. Instead of picking it this time, let me see about, I don't know, let's try a city rake. See if we can do anything with that. Even get it in here. Holy cow. Okay, get that down there. I don't know if the city rake will even get in there. I don't think I can get in there with the city rake. Let's try a worm. Wow, I can't even get in there with the worm. That's pretty bad. I mean, that would be your only thing, is getting in there with a small pick. We got a snake. Wow. Okay. Snake's in there, but can I get it to go? Let me turn the snake upside down. See about picking it with the snake. Ooh. I don't think that's open, but it gave me a good drop. Maybe it was that this slipped. Yeah. I don't know if you can do it with this snake. So you may just have to be one of these little pigs, you know. Getting underneath it. That got it. But yeah, you have to have a itty bitty little thin pick to get into them. But that would do it, guys. So these things, you know, a safe is the best way to go. If you don't, this is my personal carry. When this is out of my hands, it's in my safe, unloaded, and the ammo and the clips are locked up completely separate. But when it's with me, it's fully loaded, ready to go. So even if I got to go to the bathroom, it goes with me. So, you know, you don't ever leave it alone and unaccompanied. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. That's my short little video. So thanks for watching. Bye.